So I I think one of the big advantages to AI is that philosophy is going to make a comeback because
Yeah, and I this is a delightful conversation, and I love when we disagree the most. I categorically disagree with you, and I'll put it within the context. You are Plato and Aristotle, okay, and I am Friedrich Nietzsche. And what I'm going to do is the beyond good and evil argument that this idea that if truth, beauty, and the good are like these Platonic epistemological essences. And just if you can get your shit together, and to your point, you have this amazing conversation with these overlords of knowledge, you're going to arrive at truth, beauty, and goodness. And I'd call total bullshit on that. I don't believe it. I think that it's, again, we could have this debate as its own podcast, but to cite a current news example, Anthropic's resident moral philosopher was just highlighted on one of the outlets. I think she's 37, and she is teaching Claude how to be a good being. And I'm like, get out of here with that shit, because again, you could just as easily teach Claude how to be a good fascist. And it's weighting, and it's predictive modeling, and this idea that if you just shake the M&M jar enough with the different colored M&Ms, it's going to create either the Principia Mathematica, or it's going to create some kind of Bertrand Russell moral high ground. I don't buy it. It'll
be interesting. I'll have to exchange with you the
No, I would love to, and don't take it personal. I'm not calling bullshit on you or your process. I'm just highlighting that this is a core debate that people take for granted, and you either land as a Platonist, like a Greek, right, moral philosopher, or you're Nietzschean. And there ain't that much middle ground when it comes to that.
Yeah, I think there's problems. There's big problems with Plato and Aristotle and the way that they frame it. And I think that Nietzsche just dismantles them, right?
Yeah.
But I think that there's an alternate path to it, and I'll be really fascinated. I'll definitely share. It's probably a 5-page, the initial summary essay is sort of 5 pages, and maybe you'll look at it.
Yeah, and I could put it in the podcast description. Share links with me on some of the stuff we've talked about.
But I'm not going to share it with anybody else, because in inference, Claude is going to publish it in the inference world.
Okay. Okay. It's a spoiler.
It's going to be a spine. So you'll know what's going to happen.
Right.